next year.
Golf ball-size hail had many of you searching your homes for damage. Today, roofers were busy checking things over. Jade DeGood tagged along with one roofer. Jade, what sort of things are they looking for?
Now, that roofer I spoke with, they have seen some damage in Clearwater, Wichita, and Hayesville today. They are looking for spots kind of like this one right here. They call this a bruise. It's where the hail hit the shingle hard enough to break the back mat, which could cause leaks in the future. After hail pounded parts of Kansas,
it sounded like somebody was dropping a pretty good-sized rock on the roof.
You may be like many homeowners wondering about damage left to your home.
He definitely want to get up on my roof today and you know, see how bad it is before it gets really bad.
Homeowner Christopher Landis called a Wichita roofing company to come check it out.
What you're looking at is for impacts like these. It's actually a bruise.
Mike Locke, a consultant with Heartland Roof and Gutter, says you want to look at areas that aren't sheltered by large trees and check out all slopes of your roof.
When you have a hail impact that hits the shingle, it'll break the back mat, which means it's an active leak. It's not that it's going to leak today or tomorrow, but it will leak. It's just a matter of time.
If you don't feel comfortable getting onto your roof,
look at your gutters. You look at your downspouts. Those are all readily accessible to you, real easy to see from the ground. If you see dings and dents in those, then you know that you had some hail out there.
Or have a roofer come check it out for you.
He said there's definitely more than enough to file a claim and that there's significant damage.
100% this roof does need to be replaced.
If you think you might have hail damage, make sure to touch base with your insurance company.
Thanks, Jade. And if you're looking for a roofer, it's important to find one who's legit. The Kansas Attorney General's office has created an easy way for you to do that. A couple of years ago, it created this roofing registry. Legit roofers have to register with the state in order to work in Kansas. All you have to do is enter the name of the roofer you have questions about. In this case, we've entered the roofer that Jade spoke with, Heartland Roof and Gutter. Then you hit search. It's that simple. And you find out they are in good standing. We posted a link to the site at KWCH.com.